see, this is what I mean when I say this bike is not for the city. I thought someone hit me in the back. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, back with another video. As you guys saw in the last video, guys, I think my clutch got that issue again. I think the air bubbles have gone in or something, I don't know. So now I have to slow down, keep pressing it until I reach home, and then tow the bike to Dr. Busa. They'll fix it and give it back. My Ducati got a clutch issue again. I had to ride it back home, get it towed to Dr. Busa, and they're done with the clutch bleeding and all that. But actually the bike had another issue. The fan on the left side wasn't working, so we had to get that fixed. So obviously the coolant was less because only one of the fans were working, so the bike had to consume more coolant. I could have recorded me stopping a couple of times because the bike was saying high temperature again and again. I wasn't really sure what the issue was, so I thought the coolant wasn't refilled the last time I gave it to service. When they checked, they were like, one of the fans wasn't working. I actually had a feeling too, because I could only feel the airflow on the right side of my leg. The left side I didn't feel anything. The bike got really hot multiple times. So now we're with Chiru and his Honda. He's gonna help me go pick up the bike. He was there last time too when the service happened, when we went and left the bike and when we went and got the bike. What are you doing, boss? Instagram. Actually, not just the clutch issue. One of the fans on the left side fan is there, no? That also turned off. So the bike was overheating very easily.
It would have been dragged by it.
Huh?
Dragged because of the
No, I don't think so. They were saying it was some technical issue. It's fixed now, and because only one fan was running, the bike was overheating again and again, and because of that the coolant also got less. So they refilled the coolant. So like I told Chiran, there were a couple of issues which happened all together at once. I actually felt the bike was overheating a day before the ride, because it was like I felt the heat more and the bike was sounding a bit more rugged. So I was like, what could have happened? I wasn't sure, to be very honest. Besides that, not really much of an issue, to be honest. The bike's all ready now, hopefully, because Ducatis, they have a lot of common issues. The clutch thing is one of them. Alright, we're here. So the issue was, the thermostat sensor or something like that. It was malfunctioning, so one of the fans turned off, and while they were trying to fix it, they had to. It was a complicated process. The clutch bleeding is a simple issue that can be fixed easily, but the heat thing, the thermostat sensor, you have to be really careful with that, because if something like this happens again, then I'll have to change the sensor entirely. We'll see. I'll try my best not to get the bike overheated again. So you see, this is what I mean when I say this bike is not for the city. And it really doesn't help that my city has a lot of traffic. It's known for its traffic, and with all the E20 problems coming up, the main thing is to just get a little bit of petrol when you're just trying to go home like this, and then when you're going for a long ride or something, you get petrol like XP95 or Shell, whatever, a day before, and then exhaust it on the ride next day completely. And if you want petrol, just get a little bit so that you can reach home, and then the tank is empty by the time you reach home. That's how you should play the C20 thing. We got the petrol. Now we have to reach home fast and not let the bike heat too much. It won't overheat since the fans are fine and the coolant is full and all that. but we just have to be careful from now on. I thought someone hit me in the back. I was like, who the F is that? And it was Chiru, so I was like, it's almost 11 a.m. I guess, or it is 11 a.m. I'm not sure. So many people keep asking me why I ride in traffic. Well, sometimes I have to go to places and there's no other way I can take, so I'll have to take it through the city itself. There are some exceptions where I go take a longer route and go to places where I want to go, but then again, that's a petrol issue because the bike doesn't give that much mileage. Everything has an issue. We'll just have to be careful, that's all. I think I'll end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please drop a like, share and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Ride safe. Peace. I did notice the bike was running hot more than normal, but hopefully everything's fine. Like, yeah, that's what I was saying. Oh, there's an engine light on. I didn't even notice that. Shit. It's working. There's the fan right there. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. This is the fan that's not working.